Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and give us a huge thumbs up. So today I'm going to be showing you two things that are satisfying. Stop. And then another thing, I'm going to have to flip my camera for this one. Anyway. Doing a video. So those are the two things that were satisfying. So thank you for watching this video, and give it a like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and comment a couple of emojis that are your favorite. Maybe, yeah. So anyways, I hope you like and subscribe, so bye.